Good morning, traders. It's Friday morning, so I'm casual this morning. I wanted to go over a trade that I missed yesterday in yesterday's video. I talked about SMCI, but I never actually showed you that. I closed that trade out for a profit, and let's go back to, if you look at the closed trades here. This was closed May 20th, that was yesterday, the 29 strike. Remember, the stock had risen quite a bit above that, and net premium was 329. So we started out on this. If I hover over this, you'll see the number come up here. So we made $360 initially. It cost me only $29 to buy it back. And the expiration was for May 29th, so that's 9 days early. And that's just a great thing to do. It's the right thing to do. It frees up that money, allows us to use that for something else. But I wanted to go over that with you guys so you could just see what I did here. And the last price on the stock is $33.60. So right now, open positions on SMCI, we've only got a covered call on 100 shares. That's it. I don't have any cash secured puts right now on this stock. We will add more again, but I'm waiting for it to pull back a little bit and give us an opportunity to get back in 29s or maybe even lower than that. So that's it. Hit the like button, subscribe, and we hope to see you in the trading room. Have a great day.